Optimism airdrop confirm. Another day, another airdrop for Optimism. We are doing this one, which we already got. We already confirmed. Look at this $sign NST from Nested. I think we've done it like last month on Binance Smart Chain. We did another one on Polygon. Airdrop announcement coming soon. Eyes. Okay. Join the future of finance on Layer 2. Nested is now available on Optimism. Is what we're doing. My name is Eve, also known as Finance After 40. If you missed this airdrop and many others, you can support this channel by joining Patreon below so you won't miss any more juicy airdrops. Plus, read some whale watching to get into the next Titano and all those Ponzi scams on day one. And drip and all those coins that you get in a year later. Some people got in on day one. Find a way to check those wallets, all in the Patreon link below. So we are doing another Optimism. If you remember Optimism, just confirm. We saw all of us are getting a lot of juicy Optimism, but it's only 5% of the total airdrop. And they said do more stuff. I don't know, in the future there will be another 14% for a total of 19% Optimism airdrop. So if you miss the first 5%, or even if you want to do more, you gotta interact with the Optimism chain. So let's get ourselves some juicy nested basically NST. What are we doing here? I just created a portfolio. Okay, you got two options in here. First of all, connect your wallet. Okay, we already done it on Binance Smart Chain, Finance After 40, and we already done it on Polygon, Finance After 40. Now I'm doing this on Optimism, and I see coming soon Arbitrum. We're probably gonna do this in a week or two for the Arbitrum airdrop, etc, etc. What you need to know: number one, you need to know that I'm recording, so let's make sure that I am, which I am. Number two, you have two options. Option number one, I would do two, both of them, doesn't really matter. Option number one, create a portfolio. Okay, go to Nested, all the links of course below in the description. Create a portfolio, minimum value according to the rumors and what they said, Telegram, Discord, all that stuff. Minimum $20 per portfolio should get you some airdrop basically. Now if you deposit, people ask, because we've done it a month ago, people put the minimum 20.01 or something, and then the market crash, and then their portfolio is like $15. They ask, is there the airdrop? I don't know, I don't work for them. I just try to do like 300 airdrops a year, so we stack the deck in our favor. If you like that, you know what to do, everything below. Okay, so step one, create a portfolio and put some coins on Optimism in the basket. That's and with a minimum of $20. Step two, if you don't want to do it, you can always copy my portfolio. You see here, Finance After 40. I just put it like an hour ago, $20, and I put the coins that we need to interact with, which of course I will do part two, of course, probably in the next couple of days on Optimism. We're gonna do LYRA. LYRA I've done like 3-4 months ago. It's covered calls, has secure puts, all that good stuff on Optimism. Pretty cool. Actually, Chico Crypto liked that protocol. He got me into that. Well, his videos got me into that. I don't know him. I just respect the guy from YouTube. I did a couple of trades. It's pretty awesome, but there was not a lot of volume when they first launched. I think, I don't know, like December or something. But now it's gonna be a lot bigger once Optimism is here. Add synthetics, because synthetics is going to the moon. Everyone are going to stake synthetics. I heard, I don't know, I haven't done it. It's like 86% to just stake synthetic on Optimism or something like that. Something like that, I don't know. And of course, we have used Uniswap before on Optimism, just to swap and put some money in an LP to do some yield farming Uniswap on Optimism. Make yourself a portfolio, or if you are just too lazy, just copy this one, Finance After 40, right here. Put $20. Let me show you how it looks like. My portfolio, $20 finance after 40 on Optimism. And those are the coins. If you don't basically don't know where to get what is this, that's original portfolio. Okay, finance after 40, you can explore, or don't follow me, don't, it doesn't really matter. I think I get more airdrop if you do. No, I don't know, they haven't said anything, they just said put $20. There's some noise outside. They just said put $20 minimum and you should get an airdrop. If you see here most performing, I just click on explore. Most performing BNB. We've done all of that on the BNB. This one is up 170%. Just one coin, TMT, the move. You can look at this, GMT and STG. Interesting. And most copy. Respect to this guy, I found from him. You can copy him as well. DeFi calendar. Also on BNB, put Solana, Ethereum, Binance, and Avalanche. Feel free to copy him as well. See, 900 people already have done that. I'm not the only one that is doing this airdrop chasing, and we are all basically planting seeds to get to where we need. If you don't have money on Optimism, by the way, go to Hope Exchange. Hope Exchange, we've done, I think, like a video or two a couple of months ago. Check my channel, check all the links below, watch a couple of videos. If you're only getting started, there's still time to get the second and probably third and fourth airdrop for Optimism until the end of the year, I assume. They only did, as I said, 5%, 14% more coming to Optimism. Follow-up of this video will happen soon. My name is Finance After 40. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.